Hello guys, welcome to another drawing tutorial. Today I will teach how to draw a cactus in 3 different ways. Please subscribe and hit a like. At first let's begin with the vase. Draw a rectangle at the top and a trapezium upside down. I added some more vases just to show you the process step by step. The first cactus we are gonna draw is the classic one we see in animated movies. Begin with the rectangle, which is arched in the top, and then add 1 arm in each side. Last step is to add the spikes. I added a last cactus to color at the end. The next cactus I want to call the teddy bear cactus. Draw a big circle and then randomly add other circles in its surface. Similarly as the first cactus, the third step is to add the spikes all around. Now you can't tell me it doesn't look like tiny teddy bear heads to you? The third and last cactus is the easiest one to draw. It looks like a watermelon with spikes. Once again start with a ball, then add some lines, like I am doing here. Third step, you know what to do. Add the spikes. Time for the fun part. Color them, and we are done. Which shape was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Also let us know, what would you like to see in the next videos? Hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, bye bye.